If you are busy now, save this for later.
Okay, in my previous video, many of you commented that all of the Claude models working perfectly. So this message for you.
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
And yes, I also know that some of you commented that it was not working anymore. You are getting some type of error like API error, limit reach, and others. It may be due to the website server or an incorrect setup. Whatever the reason, I am extremely sorry for this. So that's why in this video, I will show you a new free website. I will also show you 2 to 3 different ways to use it. So you have backup options if one method stops working in your laptop.
Still a piece of garbage.
Here you can get $125 token limit in one single Gmail. And don't worry, in this video I will show you how you can claim an extra $150 token. On top of that, I will also give you $250 worth of API credits from my side in this video. Now if I open my VS Code and create a new terminal, here I type Claude and hit enter. As you can see here, the Opus 5 model is running now. And if you want to change this model, just type /model and then hit enter. From here you can change your models. One more important thing, this website only provides Claude 4.8 and Opus 5 model. So if you want to use Claude Fable 5 or Sonnet, you can check out my other videos or you can leave this video. Now let me show you it's working or not. So if I ask something, as you can see it's working perfectly and it can take some time for your first question. But I already cut it in edit. But I know that if you are not from an IT background, the terminal interface can be confusing. So let me show you another way to do it using VS Code. Inside VS Code, if I open Claude, here you can see a smooth interface. From here, you can perform the same task as terminal. So if you are a Vibe coder, you can use it for your coding. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now let me show you which model it is using. As you can see, it's using Claude Opus 5 model. Next, if I open my Claude Desktop App, here you can see I am already using it by using these two models, Claude Opus 5 and Claude Opus 4.8. Now let me show you the behind process of these three setup one by one. So please don't skip the video and watch it with some patience. This is a normal HTML website for my this channel. As you can see, we need only 6 subscribers to reach 720. So please subscribe the channel if you are new in the channel and find it helpful. Also, you can check out these videos for using Fable 5. You can join my Telegram channel from here. Forget the HTML code file that we need in setup. Already 300 plus brothers joined our community and please like the video. First of all, let me show you. We are going to use this agent router website. Search this website and click on it. You will see this type of interface and again it's a Chinese website. And if you are old viewer, you know this is second Chinese website that we are going to use in my video. Here you have to sign up with your GitHub account. But if you don't have GitHub account, don't worry. You just need a Gmail account. So choose continue with GitHub and then we will create a GitHub account. Here you can put your existing GitHub account details and sign up. But I don't prefer this because the website is still now developing. So sometimes it can show error. That's why I choose continue with Google and sign up with your existing Google account. As I said, it's still developing. So if you face any problem, don't worry, just change the Gmail and try again. Okay, after completing sign up, choose link account and then it will automatically send a verification code in your Gmail. So open your same Gmail account and copy the code and paste this 6-digit code here. I don't know you are remembered or not. Also, we need only 6 subscribers. So please subscribe. After successfully verification, click on this authorize agent router option. Sorry, it's here. It will take some time for redirect the page. After redirecting, you will see this type of API page and this type of notification. And since I don't know Chinese, so I am going to ask the god of all language, Google, because I know if I don't show what it means, some people will definitely comment that it's not free, it's fake. That's why I don't want to take any risk. So please pause the video and read it very carefully. It's showing check-in successful. Okay, now let me show you the website. Here in this dashboard section, as you can see, we successfully got $125 token. Again, as I said, this website is still developing. Here you can see they had not enabled the subscription option. And I think you don't need this. And this is my another account. And here, as you can see, I get successfully $150 token. And I already used $10.15 from here. Okay, now come to this API key option. And now let me delete the previous API key that I am already using. And as you can see, after deleting this API key, here showing the error. Now click on this create token option and choose a name, whatever you want, and follow the settings carefully that I am doing now. Here you can customize your API validation limit. Then for unlimited quota, click on this option and open it. Click on this submit option and congratulations, you successfully created your own API key. If you click on this docs page and search for Claude, here you can see all of the setup guide that you need, but you don't need it. I already upload the file in my Telegram that you need. As I already show you in my previous video, for full setup in Claude Code, you need this node.js. Simply come to this website and click here. Then choose your preferred local machine. And from here, you can directly download it. After downloading it, we need Git. So come to this next website. Then select your device and download Git from here. After set up this node.js and Git, just come to the website and copy this command. Then paste it in the terminal and download the Claude Code. And I know many of you confused with this Claude Code setup, but we need this for run it inside VS Code. So just come to my channel and check out this video. Here I have already talked about full Claude Code setup in detail. Also, you can check out the link in pin comment. After successfully download the Claude Code, come to your file explorer. Then here you will see a file as user. Click on it. Here you will see your name. Click on it. Then open the .claude file. Here you will see a setting file. Right click on your computer and click open with VS Code. Now we have to replace this setting.json file that I recently provided in Telegram. You can check it from there. Open this file from Telegram and copy the setting.json code. Then come back to the VS Code and replace the code here. I have already done it, that's why it changed nothing. As you can see, I already add the base URL, so you don't need to find it from the website. And it is the agent router particular base URL that I already added in this code. And now we need the API key that we already created. Again, open the website and copy the API key. Then paste it here in Anthropic API key option. And if you're facing any problem, please comment. I will definitely respond. After it, the setup is done. Now open a new terminal and type Claude and launch the Claude Code as I am doing. Select yes and hit enter. Again, I am telling you for set up this Claude Code properly, please watch the previous video from pin comment. Now if I ask something, as you can see, it's working perfectly. Now let me show you the second way for use it in VS Code. Inside VS Code, open this extension option and search for Claude. It will provide a smooth interface for using this Claude Code inside your VS Code. Open it, then click on the install option. It will take some time, and after successfully installed, you will see this type of Claude logo here. So just click on it, and now you can use the Claude Code from here. So if you already downloaded the Claude Code from my previous video, you don't need to install the Claude Code again. Simply you can only change the setting.json file from the Telegram that I provided already. Cut this error option, and simply if I ask something for first time, it will take some time to fetch the API. And now as you can see, it's working perfectly. So you can check your any project or website code from here directly. Same type you can use this client by fetch the API key. Okay, now let me show you how you can use it inside Claude Desktop App without Claude Code. So for the setup, let me sign out my previous account. After sign out, it will automatically relaunch the app. I have already done this API gateway setup. That's why it's showing me this type of interface. And if you don't have Claude Desktop App, just come to this website and download it from here. Okay, after downloading the app, when you open it, you will see this type of interface. Now here click on this three dot option, and we have to enable this developer mode option. For on this developer mode, come to this help option and select troubleshooting. Then here in fifth row, you will see a enable developer mode option, as you can see in beside image. Click on this option and it will relaunch the app again. After relaunch the app, again click on this three dot, then select developer mode and third party configuration. It will open a this type of interface. Let me clear it. So basically you will see a this type of interface. Here select this gateway. Now we need the base URL of the agent router website. So simply come back to my HTML page and copy the base URL. You can also get the base URL from the real website. Come back again to the Claude app and paste the base URL here. Now change this gateway authentication scheme option as I am doing. Scroll down and select this option as static API key. Okay, now come back again to the gateway authentication scheme option and select it as I am doing. Now we need the agent router API key. So for API key, we will go back to the website, copy the API key from here. After copy this API key, come back to the app and paste it here. Now you are done your 80% work. Now click on this test connection option and make sure you select this connection option as gateway. Okay, it's show an red error and it's normal. Simply click on this test connection option again. And after 2 to 3 times, you will see this type of green option. It means the gateway connection fetched successfully. Now simply save and restart the Claude app and it will relaunch the Claude app again. So until it relaunch the app, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. Okay, after relaunch the app, you will see this type of interface. And don't worry, all your previous work will be saved if you change your API key. As you can see here, you can use Claude 4.8 and Opus 5 model. Here in profile option, you can see it's connected through a gateway. And you can see here the previous chat that I already showed you. Okay, now let me show you it's working or not in a new chat. And here if I type top model now in market, as you can see it starts searching based on live data. Okay, now let me show you how you can get extra dollar amount of token. If I click here in this balance option, here you can see and refer option. If you refer someone, you will get an extra $100 and the person you refer will get $50. You can even use your referral link to create a new account and earn extra credit by referring yourself from one account to another. and this is my $250 worth 2 API key. You can use it. And don't forget to comment if you get the API key before others. And for get this HTML file, join our Telegram channel. Also, you can see the previous answer. That's it for the video. If you liked it, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. If you want, you can check out these suggested videos. Take care, stay healthy, and bye.